A big shout out to Mark the Meerkat Suffering for standing in for me. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade, and it's Monday, kicking off a new month here, March 2nd, 2015. And the markets here start things off quite bullish. The Dow up 156 points. Everybody up quite a bit, not hitting the 1% gain marks, but close. Banks doing about the same. And the VIX down 2.77, 2.8% or so. Gold and silver off. And you have crude oil up 1.2% and the US dollar up a fraction. Transportation index up pretty well here, up 0.9%, showing some positive strength to the Dow. And we have utilities down 1.9%. Remember, that's a defensive sector. So everything's looking pretty bullish out there. And here we are looking at the S&P 500 daily chart. In the last couple of days, had a little bit of a pullback here, and today a nice little pop. So this is what we were needing. Remember, I've been saying as long as we can stay above the 8 EMA, and sure enough, the 8 EMA is acting the last three sessions is perfect support. You can see that, these three areas right here. And again, go down here to the bottom right-hand corner, click on full screen to see this in all its glory. And take a look here at the Dow. Bring this up. Dow here hitting all-time high, just boom to the upside, looking very, very strong here. NASDAQ high base, boom to the upside now at 5,008, and Russell's again an all-time high close. Record highs, boom, starting to head higher. Take a look here at the spider, looking at today's volume. You'll see that we had this little pop here. Volume not as much as we had on Friday. Friday had big volume on the sell side, which isn't very good to see, but decent volume here on the pop. But I'd like to see much more volume on the pop. Be interesting to find out if this thing has legs and can still head northbound. Some stocks of interest. Google was up over 2%. You'll notice that Google has just been on fire. I mean, we had this rising wedge, very bearish, but then we just boom, up, and away. Google doing exceptionally well. Furthermore, you have GoPro on the other hand, not doing so well. I think GoPro is still a bullish setup. It's still set up to do well, but big volume on the last two trading days. This is a falling wedge. I think there's a buy opportunity down here on a support level, as long as we can find that as support and get a bounce off of it. So we'll see if this thing's ready to go. Before I left, I thought that this was going to be a double bottom and it was going to break out, but it's not ready to do that yet. And Taser was down 3.6%. Taser the last few sessions have not been doing so hot at all. Earnings hurt it. And I would have guessed just on the outside looking in that earnings would have done better than that due to their cameras that they have. But they do have a lot of competition that's out there. So anyway, those are some stocks of interest. Always find more information at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Go check it out. See what you're missing.